Hi, this is Krishna. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I've made a Happy Labubu. Happy Labubu. Some people think that actual Labubu is a bit creepy, so I tried to adjust that. As you can see, it looks a bit happier. And if you would like to make this Labubu, you should watch the video and you can make it yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get some more videos if you really like them. First, we're gonna draw our Labubu's nose. Then, we're gonna make the Labubu's eyes. But, there's a twist. Remember at the beginning of the video, I told you that we're gonna make a Happy Labubu. So, we're gonna make one curved line here, and another curved line here. It's gonna make it look a bit cheerful. We're gonna make the eyes. And then, we're gonna make one circle here, and another circle here. So the Labubu's looking this way. Then we'll add little shinies on the inside. And now it's time for the face. The face might look a bit different since, again, it's a Happy Labubu. We're gonna put some dots over here so we know when to stop. So we're gonna make one line over here. And then we're gonna do the same thing, stop here. Then we're gonna make the Labubu sing hi. So we're gonna curve that line up. And we're gonna make 4 teeth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I'm gonna make the tongue. We make one curved line here, and then another curved line here. That's the tongue. Now, we're gonna make I'm just gonna extend these lines a bit farther. Now we're gonna make little cheeks. I don't know what to call them. I think they're cheeks. I want to add some eyelashes to my Labubu because I want to make it a girl. Now I'm going to make the little skin part. So I'm going to make one over here. I'm going to make a giant oval. And connect those two lines together. Okay, now we have the oval shape. Now we're going to make tufts of hair. So I'm gonna make one bump over there and another bump over here. Now I'm gonna extend that line a little farther, and then I'm gonna start making the ears. I'm gonna make one line up, a tuft of hair, and then make it go down again. And then I made another tuft of hair. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. One line up, a tuft of hair, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. And then I'm gonna make the face. I'm gonna copy the outer edge of the face. Now we're gonna extend these lines a bit further. And now we're gonna make its body. Let's make its hands. So we're gonna put both hands in the air. One hand here. We're gonna make a line from there. And then another line down here. And do the same thing repeatedly. And now we're gonna extend these lines a bit further. And if you want, I'm gonna finish that part off. Now I'm going to make the Labubu's body. So I'm gonna make one tuft of fur and a line down. And then I'm gonna make that body a little bigger. Gonna extend that a little. Now we're gonna make that line go a bit inwards. Then we're gonna be adding the feet one foot here, one foot here, and then the belly. And then we're gonna extend those feet. And then make one zigzag line there, another zigzag line here, and then finish that off. Do the same thing here. And then we're gonna finish the feet. Now we're gonna make the Labubu's hands. We're gonna make one bump here, another bump here. So we're gonna make 4 bumps there. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now we need to do the inner ears. We're gonna like trace the outer line, like follow the outer edge, and then we're gonna make a little curve. I added a curve to make it a bit more friendly instead of the triangle. Then we're gonna finish that. And now your Happy Labubu's done. And if you want, you could add some eyebrows over here. And you can add a little belly here to make it your own. Now I'm gonna fast forward this part. I'm gonna color our whole Labubu. And I'm gonna add a line here to make it look like it's standing on something. And as I said, I'm gonna fast forward this part when I color. The colors I'll be using is yellow, dark purple, light pink, light purple, dark pink, and light blue. If you wanna get out your colors, you can pause it and you can get out your colors. Or if you wanna make your own color scheme, you could do that too. Let's fast forward.